This is Dave Gardner here. I just want to show you how to log into your Now Lifestyle members area. If you've just recently joined, you're going to go to nowlifestyle.com and you can go to just the normal page. So let me just go back here a second. If you go just to nowlifestyle.com, up in the top right hand corner there is a tab that is the login. Now, one of the other things, if you're having problems, if you're just getting in, if you have any questions and you can't log in, if there's an issue where you can't log in, over here on the right side, there's a live chat button. Depending on the time of day, if it is during regular business hours, you might be able to actually get in with someone and talk to them. They can help you out. Also, if you scroll down to the bottom, there is a phone number down there. You can actually call or send an email if you have an issue getting in. So take advantage of that. So again, if you go to nowlifestyle.com, click on the login, you're going to see a drop down. The image is going to change in the background, and that hidden link is over there again for that live chat if there's a problem. Make sure you use your username. Do not use an email. Make sure you use the username, otherwise it's not going to recognize it. So what you got to do is use your username, and my username is Dave Gardner. And then of course you have to use your password that you created for this account. It is case sensitive, so make sure that is going to be working for you. Otherwise, make sure you don't have your caps lock button down, or if there's no other errors going there. If there's a problem, again, you can do the live support. If you've forgotten your password, let's say it's been a while, you can click on that forgot password and then use, possibly test an email, and they will officially send you an email to kind of update you that, or to give you a new option to create a new password. So hopefully you found that beneficial. And then again, once you log in, you'll see options for where you can go. So again, from there, maybe you want to do health and fitness, maybe you want to do business. And so you can click and choose which one you want up there and or down here as well. So again, logging in is relatively simple. If you have any questions, just leave your comments below. Thanks.